family and friends, and welcome to my channel. This is your girl Chelle Donald with Chelle Donald LLC, and today's video is consisting of my sewing plans for August, which I would like to be titled as Sew August. Okay, what I have planned for this month, I'm planning to knock out some sports bras and lingerie for myself because I've come to the fact that I've bought underwear for myself lately, but not as of the past month or two. But I've been wondering, I bought all these Simplicity Madeline patterns for lingerie, and I never get around to it. I have if I was to count correctly, I have over more than 200 patterns. There's Simplicity, a mixture of McCall, Buttericks, Vogue. I have it all, and I never take time to do anything for myself specifically. I'm always sewing for everybody else. I'm always on the go. If it's not face masks, it's custom garments, whatever works for me. But now, today, and probably the next couple of days, tomorrow for sure, mark your calendars, I will be dropping a pattern haul for August. I also will be dropping a fabric haul because I think I have some fabric in my stash that I have not shown you guys, but I will check. Don't quote me on that, but I will check because I know I have some. I also will be dropping a tutorial, a Cricut tutorial on, which vinyl was it? I think it was the permanent vinyl on a wine glass, because I promised someone in my sewing group that I would drop a tutorial on how to put vinyl on a wine glass. So I will be dropping that probably in the next day or two. I also will be dropping a video to troubleshoot your Cricut machine, whether it's changing your blade, whether it's trying to troubleshoot to see whether or not why is it cutting into your vinyl, why is it cutting deep into your design, or whatever you're trying to do. I will be dropping videos consistently this week, so stay tuned. Don't quote me on what day, but I'm laying out everything as the days go by. I will be dropping them consecutively. If not this week, I know for a fact next week. But I will be dropping videos on y'all daily. And drum roll please. We have now hit 200 subscribers, you guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. Excuse me. Ooh, just finished eating. I'm so proud of my channel and the way that it has grown. I'm glad that I can help you guys. I'm sorry if I've been a little slow to respond to comments. I don't intentionally do that. I usually go ahead and answer, but being tied up, there's no excuse for that. I just finally cleared myself. I'm down to I want to say 4 orders of face masks that I have to do, and then I'm completely done, you guys. So stay tuned for what I have to drop for you guys. It's just a short, sweet video on what y'all can expect from my channel and what you can expect from me. There will be more fabric hauls, there will be more sew-alongs, there will be more question and answers, there will be more Cricut tutorials. Anything y'all heart desire, please comment below and tell me what other videos you would like to see, what you would like me to touch upon, what questions you guys have. I am here and I'm all ears. I'm open 24/7 to answering questions for you guys and helping you along y'all sew journey. Thank y'all for staying tuned to my sew journey. Thank you for everything you've done. If you like the content that I'm making, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button so you can get a notification to know when I will be posting my next piece of content. And that's all I got for you guys. I'm just blessed, and I hope you guys are staying safe during this pandemic. I hope y'all are drinking plenty of water. I hope y'all staying hydrated. I hope you're eating. I hope you have stacked up on food, because there's no telling what's to come in the next couple of months. Stay true to yourself. Don't let nobody ever pull you out of your box. And on that note, you guys, I am out of here. Peace.